2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, a new era of Italian performance. Intro. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just a car, it's a bold proclamation of what the future of supercars looks like. As the brand's first plug-in hybrid V12, the Revuelto blends ferocious performance with cutting-edge tech, marking a revolutionary step forward for Lamborghini's lineup. It's where unrelenting power meets sustainable innovation, all wrapped in unmistakable Italian flair. Performance. Under the sculpted hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with 3 electric motors, churning out a combined 1,001 horsepower. The Revuelto rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds, with a top speed north of 217 miles per hour. A lightning-quick dual-clutch transmission and advanced torque vectoring give it razor-sharp responsiveness, whether it's carving through mountain passes or lighting up the track. This isn't just hybrid power, it's electrified fury. Exterior design. Visually, the Revuelto is nothing short of a sci-fi sculpture. Sharp aerodynamic lines, Y-shaped LED lighting signatures, and a wide, low-slung stance scream aggression and elegance in equal measure. Inspired by aerospace design and Lamborghini's racing DNA, every curve serves a purpose, whether it's reducing drag, enhancing cooling, or simply turning heads. The signature scissor doors, still here, still iconic. Interior design. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a tech-forward cockpit that blends luxury with racing functionality. A tri-screen setup dominates the dashboard, featuring a digital gauge cluster, central infotainment, and a passenger-side display. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather wrap the cabin in high-end materials, while Lamborghini's fighter jet-style switches add to the thrill. It's immersive, intelligent, and unapologetically dramatic. Fuel efficiency. While no one buys a Lambo for gas savings, the Revuelto's plug-in hybrid system adds a surprising layer of efficiency. With the ability to cruise on electric power alone for short distances, it significantly reduces fuel consumption during city driving. Regenerative braking, smart energy management, and hybrid modes make it the most efficient V12 Lamborghini ever produced, without compromising the roar of the engine. Outro. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto is more than a car. It's a declaration that supercars can be both thrilling and forward-thinking. It delivers the brute force and beauty we expect from Lamborghini, with a futuristic twist that sets a new benchmark for hybrid hypercars. If this is the future, it's never looked, or sounded, so good. Want me to tailor this overview more toward luxury buyers, car enthusiasts, or casual readers?